Hi, today I will show you how to set up Zelle account. So, first go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Zelle, and if your bank already supports Zelle inside its app, you don't need to download it separately. Simply open Zelle app and tap on Get Started on the welcome screen. This will begin the registration process for your Zelle account. Now after you do this, type your mobile number or email address that you want to use for Zelle. Make sure it is active because you will receive a verification code on that specific email address or mobile number. Now, enter the verification code sent to your phone or email to confirm your account. This step is required to secure your Zelle profile before linking a bank. Now, search for your bank from the list and log in securely to your linked account. If your bank is supported, Zelle will connect directly through your banking app. Now, once your bank is linked, you can tap Send or Request Money to transfer money instantly. Just enter the recipient's email or phone number and confirm the payment. Also, Zelle works fastest when both sender and receiver are already enrolled with their bank on Zelle app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.